Hi, I'm Alec. This is first tutorial on the song Galway Go. And strumming in the first and second verse. And strumming in the chorus and post-chorus. And intro, chords, E minor, G, D, and C, and verse, chords, E minor, G, C, D, sorry, and C, E minor, G, D, and again E minor, G, D, and C, and A minor 7, G, and D. So chorus and chords C, G, D, C, C, G, D, and again and post chorus again. Chords C, G, D, E minor, C, G, and third verse E minor, G, D, and C, and again E minor, G, D, and again E minor, C, E minor, G, D, and C, and E minor, G, D, without this chord. And last chorus begin from E minor. And again post chorus and it's all. And so thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.